This is how you do a cool zoom transition inside After Effects. I have my two clips on the timeline, one of the guy running in the snow and a close-up of his face. New adjustment layer. I'm going to trim it so it's about 8 to 12 frames on either clip with Command-Shift-D, effects and presets, add a transform, go to the first frame of the adjustment layer, keyframe the scale, go to the middle where the two clips meet, scale it in to about 300%. Go to the final frame of the adjustment layer and then type 100 again. If we press U on our keyboard, we can see all the keyframes. Then I'm going to add a CC radial blur and change the type to straight zoom. And again, do the same first frame, keyframe 0 on the amount, go to where the two clips meet, increase the amount. 224 does the trick. Then go to the final frame, just take it back to 0 again. Going to highlight all those keyframes, right click, keyframe interpolation, Bezier. And then I'm going to go into the first set of frames by highlighting them. And I'm going to make this pattern where it goes from slow to fast with the velocity arms in this sort of diamond shape. Do the same on the blur frames. Do the diamond shape. And voila! If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more daily After Effects tutorials, then subscribe for more.